And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Now, the stretch of dry weather that we've had for November will come to an abrupt end tomorrow with some heavy rain in the forecast, especially for tomorrow afternoon. But in the meantime, just some clouds building in. What a nice day. Beautiful colors across the area. And the temperatures today, not bad. They're in the 50s. Obviously not as warm as it was yesterday when areas hit low to mid 60s, but still nice outside. Still 54 in Providence right now, 51 in Newport, and New Bedford sitting at 53. Temperatures last night dropped really quick, and it was cold when you woke up this morning. That will not be the case tonight. A very gradual drop in temperature. The reason why, cloud cover building. High pressure that brought the great weather for today is exiting out of here, and a warm front is lifting to the north, and you can see the cloud cover associated with it moving through New York City, but the rainfall is still back to the west. The main low pressure is this one here, and it's just spinning around like a top. Has some tremendous winds associated with it within the Great Lakes. Cold side of it's bringing snow to northern Minnesota, but all it's doing is just kind of swinging all this frontal boundary action towards us. So it's kind of a 1-2 punch tomorrow, warm front, cold front, and that will play out to be some heavy rainfall, some gusty winds, and some rumbles of thunder. The rainfall will likely kick off late tonight. Temperatures in the 40s, but the light showers in the forecast for the morning commute will be just that, light showers. The real heavy stuff will hold off until the afternoon. That's when the winds pick up, and that's also when the best chance to have some rumbles of thunder as well in the afternoon. Notice your temperatures too. What will be really weird about tomorrow, not only are we low to mid 60s, but the dew points are going to go way up. And what that means is it'll feel a little humid to you, and it also means that we could produce some very heavy rainfall, and some of the thunderstorms could actually get to the point where they become severe. So what to expect? The rainfall starts late tonight, but the heaviest of rain will be 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. I think there'll be a big impact on that evening commute. Even though the heaviest of rain will start to be tapering off at that point, I think overall it's going to be a very slow drive home Friday night. Strongest winds, got gusts 35 to 45, and that will be around the noontime hour through the afternoon. And with any thunderstorm, I don't think it's a widespread severe weather kind of day, but within any thunderstorm that does develop, not only do you have some vivid lightning and some heavy rain, but there is the potential for some rotation. And there could be an isolated tornado, one of those little spin-ups. We get those sometimes when we have a very fast-moving line of rain and thunderstorms racing through the area, which we'll have tomorrow. So forecast gust. In the morning, not so bad, gusts around 25, but by about noon, they start picking up. You see more gust, over 40 miles an hour across the area. The winds will be out of the southeast, and then as quickly as the winds strengthen, they back off in the evening. It's not a long wind duration at all. It's an event that's going to be very short-lived in the afternoon. By evening at 10 p.m., most of the strongest gusts are over. Strongest gusts, 35 to 45 in the red, 25 to 35 in the orange, and it will be a stormy afternoon. So futurecast, the clouds already building in. Here are those little light pesky showers by morning. Nothing really all that heavy. We go to the noontime hour, though. This looks a lot more impressive, right? Well, here comes the rain, heavy at times. This is when your best chance to have some thunderstorms is when this line moves through. Be weather aware tomorrow afternoon, no matter what your plans are. Have your phone, have our ABC6 app downloaded. Anytime a severe storm breaks out and there is that potential for a rotation or isolated tornado, you will get an update right away and have a plan in place from where you're going to be safe. Once the rainfall comes to an end in the evening Friday, we think we're good, right? Saturday looks fine, lots of sunshine in the morning, but another little push of rain will come in Saturday night, clearing out of here in time for the Pats game on Sunday, turning cooler for next week, but it's only short-lived because by the time we get to the end of the week, we're back in the 60s by Thursday. John?
All right, Jeff, thank you. 1 European and 3 American